Hi, I'm the Reverend Dr. Thaeda Franz, and if you're here, there's a good chance you've already done a lot of inner work. You've been to therapy, you've journaled, you've meditated, you've tried mindset shifts, affirmations, healing modalities, maybe all of it. And yet something still feels off, stuck, heavy, like you're doing the work, but the work isn't fully working. This channel exists for that moment because not everything that blocks us is psychological, and not everything that exhausts us is emotional. Some of what we carry is energetic, and some of what interferes with our lives isn't ours at all. Here, we talk about soul protection, soul restoration, and what people have often misunderstood about things like exorcism. Not the dramatic movie version, but the quiet, precise, deeply compassionate work of removing what never belonged in your system to begin with. No fear-mongering, no spiritual superiority, no bypassing your humanity, just grounded conversations about what actually helps people feel more like themselves again. You don't need to be psychic. You don't need special gifts. You don't need to believe anything in particular. You just need a willingness to listen to your own body, your own experience, and the quiet knowing that says, there's more going on here. On this channel, you'll find short teachings, reflections, and real conversations about spiritual gifts, energetic interference, why growth sometimes feels harder than it should, and how to come back into alignment without fixing, forcing, or blaming yourself. If you're somebody who's sensitive, thoughtful, and tired of carrying what isn't yours, you're in the right place. Take a look around. Listen to what resonates. Leave the rest. And if these conversations support you, I'd love for you to stay and subscribe and hang out a while. I'm so glad you're here.